Are you having trouble with your YouTube app? Videos won't load, or maybe the app won't even open? We've got simple fixes for you. Welcome. If your YouTube viewing experience is anything but smooth, stick around. We'll show you exactly how to get back to watching your favorite content. It's frustrating when YouTube stops working. Don't worry, these simple steps will solve most issues fast. We'll start with quick fixes like checking your internet and restarting the app. Then move on to deeper troubleshooting if needed. Let's start with understanding the common problems. The most common issues are the app failing to open, black screens, videos endlessly buffering, or content not loading at all. These usually point to connectivity or corrupted data. Let's start with the most basic, yet often most effective, solutions: connectivity and restarting. First, make sure you are properly connected to the internet. Double-check your Wi-Fi or mobile data to ensure it's turned on and working. A weak signal can prevent videos from loading. Next, fully close the YouTube app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to see your open apps, then swipe the YouTube app away completely. Reopen it afterwards to clear any temporary glitches. If the app restart didn't work, give your entire phone a fresh start. Power it off completely, wait a few seconds, and power it back on. This clears up deeper system glitches that might be interfering. Now let's look at keeping the app itself running smoothly, starting with updates. Check your respective app store, the App Store for iPhone or the Play Store for Android, to see if a new YouTube update is available. Updates often contain crucial fixes for known issues. If you are on an Android, clearing the app cache can remove corrupted temporary files. Go to Settings, find Apps, select YouTube, and choose Clear Cache. This data cleaning step is not available for iPhone users. If the problem persists, we need to dive into some more advanced settings to ensure your phone is communicating correctly. Incorrect date and time settings can confuse servers and block the app. Ensure your phone's date and time is set to automatic. This is essential for proper connection security. Android users should also ensure Google Play Services is updated. This is a core part of Android that allows apps like YouTube to function correctly in the background. You can usually find this option within your phone's settings or through the Play Store. If you've tried everything else, it's time for the ultimate clean slate: uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Deleting the YouTube app and reinstalling it from scratch will wipe out all corrupted data and ensure you have the latest version running properly. This is the most effective way to clear persistent issues. That's it. You should now be back to enjoying YouTube. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more simple tech help, and let us know in the comments if your problem is fixed. Happy viewing!